Hello, welcome back to CompXM 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips and detail guides to win on rounds from round 1 to round 4 to get the top result. So I show you the detail now. So you started CompXM with the screen. So on the screen we have CompXM here and 4 products here. 4 products in 4 segments. So the first thing is we need to check the industry condition report. So this is the first step, check industry condition report. You see that we have 4 product segments here. 4 product segments here. Thrift, core, nano, and elite in this order. The price increase. Thrift the lowest cost and elite the most expensive. And each round we need to update the product by increase performance and reduce size here. You see by differently, right? And then we have table 2 here for 4 rounds. We have 4 segments here: thrift, core, nano, elite, and performance. And here we have 4 rounds. But remember, again, round table 2 is not optimal. Each round we need to update table 2 here, the same table 2 copy from the industry condition report. And also we need to update with table 3. It means we need to update 1 time more for core, for nano, and elite. So this is table 2 combined with table 3. It's not just table 2, because table 2 combined with table 3 we get this table. So that's the first winning tip. Remember, on the screen you see winning tip number 1. Check the industry condition report and 4 segment table 3. You can download the free Excel file to calculate R&D for 4 rounds. So if you watch this video, I think that you win 60% of the CompXM already. You know how to update R&D. How to update R&D I show you right now. So this is thrift first. Thrift the lowest one, we get 7.2 for example, and 13.8. And then for the core we have about 10.1 and 9.9. The first product is 9.9, and then next one is 12.3 and 5.4, and then elite here, elite 14.6 and 7.7. Remember, do not copy the number, because the CompXM is different from student to student, so number will be different. Do not ever copy the number and paste into the game. I show you the strategy. I show you again that we download industry condition report here, and then you need to copy into the Excel file. In this one you copy in here, and the number will be automatically calculate for your game. So you need to start from here and copy this table and paste into here, into the Excel file. I have set the formula to calculate for you to this table. This is a part. So do not paste the number into the game. You need to use this number. I say again and again 100 times. Open the industry condition report and use this number with the Excel file, and then you can create the Excel file for your game. If you are not clear, you send me the email. Right? So the first part of the CompXM is very important. Download the industry condition report, download the Excel file, use that to calculate the game for the number for your game. If you watch this, you win 60% of the game already. And if you have any questions, send the email to mbasim.faris@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and quiz run. Check the other video for the next part of the guide. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.